Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will see some questions on number patterns from Chapter 1 Patterns in Mathematics. These questions are based on the table given on page number 3 of your textbook Ganita Prakash. First one, very easy pattern 1 1 1 1 1 etc. So, first question, what is the 10th term of the pattern? Look at the pattern carefully. Every number is 1. So the pattern never changes. So what is the 10th term of the pattern? It is of course 1. Then what do you notice about this pattern? This pattern never changes. All the terms are equal to 1. See the next pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. We start from 1 and add 1 each time. So after 1 comes 2, then after 2 comes 3, after 3 comes 4 and so on. This is called a counting number pattern. Write the next 5 terms. The next 5 terms are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then what is the 15th term? We start from 1 and add 1 each time. So 15th term is of course 15. Then what rule is used to form this pattern? Add 1 each time. They are counting numbers. Next one, pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Observe the pattern from 1 to 3. We add 2. So plus 2. Similarly, from 3 to 5 also we add 2. Then 5 to 7 we add 2. This continues. So we add 2 every time. Also check the numbers. The numbers end with digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers are odd numbers. So write the next 4 odd numbers. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. Is 25 an odd number? Yes. 25 ends with 5. So it is an odd number. Then what is the difference between consecutive terms here? Consecutive terms means the terms that come one after another in a pattern. So what is the difference between consecutive terms? See 11 minus 9, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. So answer is 2. See the next pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. This pattern starts with 2. Then from 2 to 4 we add 2 plus 2. Similarly from 4 to 6 we add 2. 6 to 8 we add 2 and so on. Also check the numbers. The numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So these numbers are even numbers. So write the next 4 even numbers. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Is 31 an even number? No. 31 ends with 1. So it is an odd number. What comes after 20 in this pattern? 20 plus 2, 22. See the next pattern 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. These are triangular numbers. This is a pictorial representation. See 1 is represented using 1 dot, then 3 using 3 dots, then 6 using 6 dots, then 10. 10 using 10 dots. So they look like triangles. So in this case, you start with 1, then add 2, you will get 3. Then from 3, you add 3, you will get 6. From 6, you add 4, you will get 10. From 10, you add 5, you will get 15. Then from 15, you add 6, you will get 21. So write the next 3 terms. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 28 plus 8, 36. Then 36 plus 9, it is 45. Plus 9, you will get 45. Next one, how do you get 10 from 6? Add 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then what is the next triangular number after 21? It is 28. See the next pattern, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. These are square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. So what is the next square number after 49? 49 is 7 into 7. So what is the next square number after 49? 8 into 8 is 64. So 8 into 8, that is 64. Next one, what is 8 square? That is 64. Then, is 30 a square number? No, 30 is not a square number. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 30 is not a square number. See the next pattern, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. See, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Then 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Then 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Then 64 is 4 into 4 into 4, 125 is 5 into 5 into 5, 216 is 6 into 6 into 6. Write the next two cube numbers. 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. Then 8 into 8 into 8 is 512. What is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Then what is 7 cube? 7 into 7 into 7, 343. See the next pattern, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. These numbers are Virahanga numbers. These numbers are a pattern in which each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. Each number is a sum of the two numbers before it. See, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, what is 2 plus 3? 5. Then, what is 3 plus 5? 8. Then, 8 plus 5? 13. Then, 13 plus 8? 21. So, these are Virahanga numbers. Each number is a sum of the two numbers before it. So, write the next three terms. These are the next three terms, 34, 55, 89. How did you get 34? 13 plus 21. Then 55, 21 plus 34. Then 89, 34 plus 55. So how is each term formed? By adding the previous two terms, that is Virahanga numbers. Which two numbers add up to 21? 8 and 13. See the next pattern, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. These are powers of 2. Powers of 2 are numbers obtained by multiplying 2 by itself repeatedly. Here, 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Then, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 into 2 is 64. So, what is the next term after 64? 64 into 2, that is 128. So, what rule is used in this pattern? Multiply by 2 each time. Powers of 2. What is 2 raised to 5? It is 32. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. See the next pattern, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. These are powers of 3. See, 3 raised to 0 is 1. That is 3 raised to 0. A raised to 0 is 1. So, any number raised to 0 is 1. So, 3 raised to 0 is 1. Then 3 raised to 1, 3. 3 raised to 2, that means 3 into 3, it is 9. 3 raised to 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 3 raised to 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. 3 raised to 5, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 threes. So, 243. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Write the next two terms, that is 3 raised to 6 and 3 raised to 7. 3 raised to 6 is 729. 3 raised to 7 is 2187. What rule is used in this pattern? Multiply by 3 each time. That is powers of 3. What rule is used in this pattern? Multiply by 3 each time. Then what is 3 raised to 4? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 81. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications for more Class 6 Maths lessons and worksheets. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.